In this video, we will look at multiplying algebraic terms. Example 1, simplify. 5 times 3y. We just multiply the numbers together. So 5 times 3 gives 15 and y stays by itself. So we have 15y. 4k times m. The only thing we can do here is remove this multiplication sign to make it km. So we are left with 4km. And we write them usually in alphabetical order. So k goes before m in the alphabet, leaving 4km. The next one, 4x times 5. There's no letters here, so we're just going to be left with x on the end. 4 times 5 gives 20. So our answer would be 20x. Part D, 2x times 8y. We multiply the numbers together. 2 times 8 gives 16. And we can write the letters in alphabetical order. So 16xy. Part E, 3r times 3 times 3r. Doing the numbers, 3 times 3 times 3 gives 27. And r times r, on a side note, r times r is the same as r squared. It's like saying we know that 3 times 3 is 3 squared. So whenever we have two letters multiplied by each other that are the same, it just becomes squared. So r times r isn't r, it's r squared. Part F, we multiply the numbers together. 3 times 6 is 18. And writing the letters in order, we have an A here, no A's over here, so we just have 18A. The next one is C. Now we have a C here and C here, so this would become C squared. And this one only has D, there's no D here. So 18C squared D would be the answer there. Example 2, simplify, introducing some of the negatives now. Minus 4 times 2, we have one negative, one positive. We'll give our answer as negative. 4 times 2 is 8, and BD. So writing the letters there in alphabetical order. Part B, 6 times minus 4 first. We'll give minus 24. And the brackets are only here to show that this is a negative number, okay? And m times m, as we said before, would be m squared. So we have 24m squared there, minus 24m squared. Part C, negative 2. Nothing else is negative. We only have one negative sign, so none of them will cancel to become positive. We just have a negative. 2 times 5 is 10, times 9 will give 90. So minus 90kx. Minus 90kx. Part D, we have a negative here and a negative here. Negative times a negative gives a positive. So these basically cancel each other out. And 15 times 5, using your calculator or doing it in your head, if you were to do it in your head, 10 times 5 is 50, 5 times 5 is 25, so that would give 75, and b times b is of course b squared. Part E, multiplying the numbers together, minus 3 times 4 gives minus 12. M times m, for Mary, that would be m squared. And n for Nelly, we have two of them, 1, 2, so we would have n squared there as well. So minus 12 m squared n squared. Part F, 6abc times minus 2ab. 6 times minus 2 would give minus 12. There's two a's here, so this would be a squared. And there is two b's, so b squared. And only one c, so we're just left with c on the end. Okay, now I want you to have a go at these. Pause the video now and I will show you your answers once you've done that. Okay, so those are your final answers there. You can see part G was a little bit difficult. You had to multiply first using BIDMAS. 2 3s are 6. Then we're left with 7a squared minus 6a squared, which is just a squared. This concludes the multiplying algebraic terms video. Thank you.